If you want to learn C++, you must first set up the environment that you will code in. Microsoft's Visual Studio is a great choice for this. They have a free version called Visual Studio Community, which you can download from their website. I will leave a download link in the description, but if you're watching this from the future, you might be better off navigating to their website yourself to get the latest version. Once you have downloaded, installed and booted up Visual Studio, we're going to create a new project. We are looking for the empty project template. If it doesn't show up for you, you can choose C++, Windows and Console, and it should be at the top. Select it and click Next. We're going to name our project. I'm going to name mine CPP Tutorial. After that, you can click Create. Once the project has loaded, we're going to create our first source file. Right-click Source Files, choose Add, and then New Item. Make sure that the .cpp file is selected. You can name it here. I'm going to leave it at the default source.cpp name. Click Add. And now we're ready to start writing some code. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, and let me know what you want me to do next in the comments below. See you in the next video.